What does your current morning routine look like? Is it rushed, chaotic, or perhaps a bit dull? Now let's introduce a philosophy that's been around for centuries, yet fits snugly into our modern lives: Stoicism. This ancient Greek philosophy teaches us to master our reactions to external circumstances, allowing us to find inner peace and contentment. Now think about applying Stoicism to your mornings. Instead of being jostled awake by an alarm, picture a serene start to your day, grounded in peace and purpose. With Stoicism, each morning becomes a fresh canvas, filled with opportunities for mindfulness and self-improvement. And don't worry, you don't need to be a toga-wearing philosopher to get started. All you need is an open mind and a willingness to see things from a new perspective. So grab your morning cup of joe or tea, or hey, even that green smoothie, and let's dive into the world of Stoic mornings together. Imagine waking up and taking control of your day from the very first moment. That's what a Stoic morning routine offers. The first chapter of our Stoic morning story begins with mindful meditation. Now, what's that, you may wonder? It's a form of meditation where you focus on being intensely aware of what you're sensing and feeling in the moment, without interpretation or judgment. Practicing mindfulness involves breathing methods, guided imagery, and other practices to relax the body and mind and help reduce stress. But why meditate, you ask? Well, it's like taking your mind to the gym. Just as we work out to keep our bodies healthy, we meditate to keep our minds sharp and clear. It helps us start the day with purpose and intention, setting the tone for everything that follows. Let's say you're a baker, and you start your day by kneading dough mindfully, focusing on each fold and press. This simple act of mindfulness can transform the mundane into the magical. Remember, meditation isn't about emptying your mind, but about understanding it. As our morning story continues, it's time for reflective journaling. Picture this: a quiet corner, a cup of your favorite morning brew, and a journal waiting to be filled with your thoughts. In the Stoic tradition, journaling is not just a record of the day's events, it's a tool for self-reflection, a mirror to our minds. It's where we explore our thoughts, dissect our actions and decisions, and seek wisdom from within. Imagine starting your day by penning down your thoughts, your fears, your joys, and your goals. It's like having a conversation with your future self. This practice allows you to pause, to look within, and to understand yourself better. It's a journey of self-discovery, of personal growth, and of emotional resilience, all wrapped up in the humble act of writing. So grab your pen, open up your journal, and let your thoughts flow. Remember, writing isn't just about recording thoughts, it's about understanding them. Our next chapter is all about physical exercise. Stoics, just like anyone else, knew the value of a good stretch, a brisk walk, or a heart-pumping workout. They understood that a healthy body is a vessel for a healthy mind. Now, here's a funny thing. Stoics didn't have fancy gym equipment or trendy yoga classes, but they sure did understand the concept of sweating it out. They believed in the power of physical exertion to clear the mind and build resilience. Stoicism teaches us to embrace discomfort. And let's be honest, what's more uncomfortable than a set of burpees first thing in the morning? But it's not about torturing ourselves. It's about understanding that we are capable of pushing our limits. Exercise helps us manage stress, keeps us healthy, and reminds us that we are stronger than we think. So go ahead, do some push-ups, take a jog, or dance around your living room. Exercise isn't just good for the body, it's also good for the soul. The final chapter of our morning story is a Stoic breakfast. Picture this: breakfast isn't just a hurried meal gulped down with a side of morning news. Instead, it's a calm, mindful ritual. Stoics, you see, view food as more than just a means to silence a growling stomach. To them, it's a fuel for both the body and mind. It's about understanding that what you consume directly impacts your ability to think, act, and engage with the world. Let's break it down. Eating mindfully means paying attention to what's on your plate and how it makes you feel. It's about appreciating every bite, every flavor, every texture. It's about being grateful for the nourishment it provides. This Stoic breakfast isn't about fancy recipes or exotic ingredients. It's about simple, wholesome food consumed with gratitude and thoughtfulness. It's about starting your day with intention, with mindfulness, with gratitude. A Stoic breakfast isn't just about nourishing the body, it's about nourishing the mind. And that, my friends, is what a Stoic morning routine looks like. A day started with mindfulness, reflection, physical exercise, and a thoughtfully prepared breakfast, all inspired by the wisdom of Stoicism. Each one of these practices anchors us in the present moment and equips us to face the day with clarity and resilience. Perhaps you're drawn to the calm focus of mindful meditation, or maybe the thoughtful introspection of journaling resonates with you. The invigorating routine of physical exercise might be calling your name, or the ritual of a Stoic breakfast could be just what you need to start your day right. Remember, the beauty of this routine is its flexibility. You can adapt it to your needs, your schedule, your life. So why not give one or two of these practices a try? See how they can transform your mornings and, in turn, your days. Thank you for joining us on this Stoic morning journey. Which practices do you think you might incorporate into your routine? Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more inspiring content.